welcome to Five Things to Know, a Tax Talk Today exclusive. I'm joined today by Wanda Brown, Program Director of the Taxpayer Services Division within the Internal Revenue Service, and Darnita Trower, Digitalization Project Director within the Enterprise Program Management Office of the IRS. Wanda co-leads the efforts focused on expanding digital services across the IRS technical and business processes, and Darnita co-leads the Inflation Reduction Act initiative, also focusing on expanding digital services there. Wanda and Darnita, on behalf of our viewers, it is my pleasure to welcome you to Tax Talk today, where IRS representatives and tax industry leaders come together to share their knowledge and experiences working with federal tax law. As a career practitioner, I know just how important expanding the IRS digital services is to the industry and taxpayers. It is arguably the most important investment in the service since Congress established the Office of the Commissioner of the Internal Revenues over 150 years ago. Today, I'd like to discuss the Document Upload Tool, or DUT. Let's begin with a summary overview of the Document Upload Tool. Wanda, what exactly is it?
Sure. The Document Upload Tool is an online portal, right? It's available through the irs.gov, and it allows taxpayers to respond to notices and letters that they may receive from the IRS. And they can go there and they can actually take a picture and upload, right? Upload the document that they would have normally, found an envelope and drove over to the mail, over to the post office and submitted, right? And they'd have to put it in the mail. Well, this allows them the convenience to be able to upload, directly from their device and to send it directly to the IRS.
When did the IRS launch this tool and how popular has it become?
Sure. Thanks for that question. It made me go back down memory lane a little bit because we actually, introduced the document upload tool in 2021 for a limited number of notices. And then we expanded upon that capability in 2023, making it available for taxpayers to use it to respond to all notices and letters that they receive from the IRS. We were able to do that funding from the Inflation Reduction Act, right? The IRA. It's been very, very helpful act for us to fund some of our initiatives. It has really helped us to improve customer service and it has helped our employees, right? Make that transition from paper, receiving things from a physical paper format to a digital format. So it's been a really, really good experience in launching that tool.
Thank you. Darnita, what letters can be responded to using the DUT, and can the DUT be used for providing documents during examination?
Uploads can be used for examination, amongst other things. Wanda touched on it briefly. Going back, we had very limited use of the document upload tool with certain use cases. But in October of 2023, we launched the expansion of DUT. And now you can virtually respond to almost any notice or letter that you get from the IRS. We estimate that 94% of individual taxpayers no longer need to send mail to the IRS due to this expansion. We have over 3,600 notices and letters that go out to taxpayers. Doing things like responding with information for earned income tax credits or your premium tax credits are all available to a taxpayer to do now, today, on Doc Upload Tool.
Fantastic. I knew the answer already because I've been using this tool since pretty much it came out. But with the exam, it's been quite helpful. It's been quite helpful dealing with these auditors with it. Are there certain file types or sizes that we need to be concerned about? And is there a limit to how many files?
So there are some limitations. We try to have a wide array of different types that taxpayers can use. So we'll accept just about any image. We accept the normal JPEG, PDF files. We do have a limit of 40 files per upload at 15 meg per size. So those are the limits there. However, as a taxpayer, if you have more that you need to send in, you can always give another upload and submit it that way. So we've tried to make it as easy as possible for the taxpayers to utilize the system.
So a couple of notes here for the viewers. Number one is we're talking images, so Word documents and Excel documents at this point are not uploadable. And
Right.
from my own experience, black and white is a lot smaller than color. So I just want to throw that out there if you're consider converting these files. Now, to wrap this up, I'm going to open this up to both of you. Are there any other important things that we should know about and what's next on the horizon? Wanda, would you like to start, please?
Sure. I think what is really important is that the document upload tool is accessible right off of irs.gov, and it's easy. It is easy to use. It's pretty intuitive. And it's pretty efficient, right? It's very efficient. Upload directly to the tool. And so far, the adoption has been great, but we want to continue to work with our communication and liaison office to market it even more, right? We have had over 1 million submissions through the document upload tool, but we want to make sure that we continue to put that message out there so that people can take advantage of the easy access and submitting things directly to the IRS.
Great, great. Darnita, what final comments would you like to share?
So I'm interested in the integration components that we'll be doing behind the scenes at the IRS. We are partnering with other initiatives such as Taxpayer 360 or the use of online accounts so that your submissions or whatever you send in through the document upload tool is available so that taxpayers can see it, but also so that our employees on the customer service side can also see what you've uploaded as well, which just makes it easier for them to answer questions when they come in from taxpayers. Also looking forward to additional use cases. We are continuously looking for ways to improve and allow our taxpayers to interact with the IRS the way they do with their banks today. So where applicable, we'll be launching other DUT capabilities in the future to align with that approach.
Great, great. Well, this has been a really great conversation, Wanda and Darnita. Thank you so much for joining us on 5 Things to Know. On behalf of our viewers, I want to thank you for your years of service in tax, especially in your current roles with the IRS. Your work really benefits the taxpayer, our tax preparer community, and our nation's taxpayers. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you on another Tax Talk Today program. Thank you all for watching, and as always, it's been great learning with you. Be sure to join us again on an upcoming Tax Talk Today program.